Le livre de Genèse, chapitre 5.
The Book of Genesis, Chapter 5.
Voici le livre de la postérité d'Adam. Lorsque Dieu créa l'homme, il le fit à la ressemblance de Dieu.
This is the book of the generations of Adam. In the day that God created man, in the likeness of God made he him.
Il créa l'homme et la femme, il les bénit, et il les appela du nom d'homme, lorsqu'ils furent créés.
Male and female created he them, and blessed them, and called their name Adam, in the day when they were created.
Adam, âgé de 130 ans, engendra un fils à sa ressemblance, selon son image, et il lui donna le nom de Seth.
And Adam lived 130 years, and begat a son in his own likeness, and after his image, and called his name Seth.
Les jours d'Adam, après la naissance de Seth, furent de 800 ans, et il engendra des fils et des filles.
And the days of Adam after he had begotten Seth were 800 years, and he begat sons and daughters.
Tous les jours qu'Adam vécut furent de 930 ans, puis il mourut.
And all the days that Adam lived were 930 years, and he died.
Seth, âgé de 105 ans, engendra Enoch.
And Seth lived 105 years, and begat Enos.
Seth vécut, après la naissance d'Enoch, 807 ans, et il engendra des fils et des filles.
And Seth lived after he begat Enos 807 years, and begat sons and daughters.
Tous les jours de Seth furent de 912 ans, puis il mourut.
And all the days of Seth were 912 years, and he died.
Enoch, âgé de 90 ans, engendra Kénan.
And Enos lived 90 years, and begat Sinan.
Enoch vécut, après la naissance de Kénan, 815 ans, et il engendra des fils et des filles.
And Enos lived after he begat Sinan 815 years, and begat sons and daughters.
Tous les jours d'Enoch furent de 905 ans, puis il mourut.
And all the days of Enos were 905 years, and he died.
Kénan, âgé de 70 ans, engendra Mahalaleel.
And Sinan lived 70 years and begat Mahalaleel.
Kénan vécut, après la naissance de Mahalaleel, 840 ans, et il engendra des fils et des filles.
And Sinan lived after he begat Mahalaleel 840 years, and begat sons and daughters.
Tous les jours de Kénan furent de 910 ans, puis il mourut.
And all the days of Sinan were 910 years, and he died.
Mahalaleel, âgé de 65 ans, engendra Jéred.
And Mahalaleel lived 65 years, and begat Jared.
Mahalaleel vécut, après la naissance de Jéred, 830 ans, et il engendra des fils et des filles.
And Mahalaleel lived after he begat Jared 830 years, and begat sons and daughters.
Tous les jours de Mahalaleel furent de 895 ans, puis il mourut.
And all the days of Mahalaleel were 895 years, and he died.
Jéred, âgé de 162 ans, engendra Enoch.
And Jared lived 162 years, and he begat Enoch.
Jéred vécut, après la naissance d'Enoch, 800 ans, et il engendra des fils et des filles.
And Jared lived after he begat Enoch 800 years, and begat sons and daughters.
Tous les jours de Jéred furent de 962 ans, puis il mourut.
And all the days of Jared were 962 years, and he died.
Enoch, âgé de 65 ans, engendra Methuskéla.
And Enoch lived 65 years, and begat Methuselah.
Enoch, après la naissance de Methuskéla, marcha avec Dieu 300 ans, et il engendra des fils et des filles.
And Enoch walked with God after he begat Methuselah 300 years, and begat sons and daughters.
Tous les jours d'Enoch furent de 365 ans.
And all the days of Enoch were 365 years.
Enoch marcha avec Dieu, puis il ne fut plus, parce que Dieu le prit.
And Enoch walked with God, and he was not, for God took him.
Methuskéla, âgé de 187 ans, engendra Lémec.
And Methuselah lived 187 years, and begat Lamech.
Methuskéla vécut, après la naissance de Lémec, 782 ans, et il engendra des fils et des filles.
And Methuselah lived after he begat Lamech 782 years, and begat sons and daughters.
Tous les jours de Methuskéla furent de 969 ans, puis il mourut.
And all the days of Methuselah were 969 years, and he died.
Lémec, âgé de 182 ans, engendra un fils.
And Lamech lived 182 years, and begat a son.
Il lui donna le nom de Noé, en disant « Celui-ci nous consolera de nos fatigues et du travail pénible de nos mains, provenant de cette terre que l'Éternel a maudite. »
And he called his name Noah, saying, This same shall comfort us concerning our work and toil of our hands, because of the ground which the Lord hath cursed.
Lémec vécut, après la naissance de Noé, 595 ans, et il engendra des fils et des filles.
And Lamech lived after he begat Noah 595 years, and begat sons and daughters.
Tous les jours de Lémec furent de 777 ans, puis il mourut.
And all the days of Lamech were 777 years, and he died.
Noé, âgé de 500 ans, engendra Sem, Cham et Japhet.
And Noah was 500 years old, and Noah begat Shem, Ham, and Japheth.